This basic tutorial will show you how to replace your wooden balusters with metal ones using the connector H bracket. We will be removing balusters with square blocks at both top and bottom ends. Before getting started, you'll need to take a few measurements. You need to measure the space and centers between the balusters and the length of each baluster. Keep in mind that the rake balusters are much shorter than the level ones. Cut the balusters in the middle so that you'll have leverage when removing them. It's best to rock it back and forth before twisting it off. Dangling nails or staples can be removed with pliers. Just clip them enough so that you will have a flat surface. Once the wooden balusters have been removed, it's time to cut the metal ones. But before cutting, center the turnings or ornaments, then apply the lengths of the old wooden balusters. Subtract an additional 1/4 inch from that length to allow room for the connector H. Keep in mind, both ends must be cut to support the connector H. Hammer the plastic inserts into both ends until fully seated. If necessary, remove any excess shavings. Now, slide the shoes on and tighten. Take a connector H and screw it into the bottom of the baluster. Do not over-tighten. It is important with the rake balusters that the rake shoes are positioned in opposite directions. Using previous measurements, center and square the connector H onto the rail and fasten with screws. Both top and bottom should be the same distance between balusters or newel. Next, twist the top end of the baluster to the connector H attached to the rail. Pay attention to the position of the rake shoes. From there, attach the bottom connector H, then slide the shoes in place and tighten. Follow these same steps for your level sections. In this demonstration, the installation was completed on a plate. You can also install the connector H onto shoe rails, steps, and even directly onto your floors. The connector H also makes your staircase more versatile. You can easily swap different styles of balusters in and out whenever you want. You will never be stuck with the same style again, and you will never need to hire an expensive stair builder to do the work for you.